Greetings.
Hi. Hi, America.
Tell the world, what did you drink today?
I was drinking like a lot of nipples and sex on the beach.
Yes.
And tea wine.
My time.
And I was singing this song like this. No one, no one. I was singing that and dancing like this. Oh, if that noise you're wondering is my back. It's like my back.
Say hello to the world, Jorge. Hey, where are you?
What?
He's kind of shy, you know.
He was at the gas station.
Okay.
He said he was over at Lexi's house with them.
What? Oh, they was at somebody's house doing something.
So,
Oh my god.
what do you have to tell the world?
My head is so heavy. Oh. What does the world want to know?
The world wants to know.
World, what do you want to know?
I don't know. Wait, hold on. Let's play a song.
My eyes closed.
Can we play a song?
Dang.
What?
A little messed up. Not really.
What? He was at
I want some more Corona.
Former and them's house.
That's up with him.
Which one? The one at the bar?
Okay, buddy.
Corona.
Chinese store.
Okay, we don't want to see that.
Oh yeah.
Man, quick,
Oh yeah.
Okay, goodbye, world.
All the best songs.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Did you record it?